For today's lesson, we are going to need a notebook, math notebook, and your beads. So pause and go get those things. Go. Okay, at the top, I want you to copy what I've written here. This is our lesson, Memorization of 6. So pause the video and copy that. Go. Okay, I'm going to slide this aside for now, and we are going to start with the 6s. So I want you to follow along with me. Take one of your 6 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 6 times 1. Let's record that in our notebook. 6 times 1 equals, and I want you to pause and call out the answer. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. It equals 6, and we are going to put the answer vertically like that underneath it, and then we'll record it in our notebook. Okay, we're going to put this back. Now we have 6 times 2. Let's write that down in our notebook. 6 times 2 equals. Okay, pause the video, and you're going to find 6 times 2. Count all these beads. Go. Did you say 12? All right, now to show that vertically, 12, we need 1 10 and our 2. Okay, all right, so let's put that back. Now what do we have? 6 times 3, let's record that in our notebooks. Okay, and pause, and I want you to count these and find 6 times 3. Go. All right, did you get 18? So for 18, we need how many 10s? Yep, 1. And then what else do we need? Yep, we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I want you to show your answer vertically. All right, let's put that back. And what's next? Yeah, 6 times 4. Copy that in your notebook, pause, and find the answer. All right, did you say 24? And how many 10s do we need? Yeah, this time we need 2 10s. We're going to put them vertically. And what else? 4, you got it. 24. Okay, let's put these away and do the next one. What's next? Yep. 6 times 5, you got it. Okay, pause and find the answer. Did you say 30? Awesome. How many 10s do we need to show the answer vertically? Yeah, 3, 10, 20, 30, and 0, nothing else. Okay. All right, let's do the next one. What's next? Yeah, you got it. 6 times 6 equals, okay, pause and find the answer. Did you say 36? Nice. And what do you notice about the shape? Yeah, that's our perfect square, 6 squared. Okay, let's show the answer vertically. How many 10s? 10, 20, 30. Okay, we need 3 10s and a 6. Okay, let's keep going. What's next? Yep, 6 times 7. Oh, I wrote the equation first before I put out the beads. Hopefully you put your beads out first. Okay, pause and find the answer. Yep, 42. How many 10s do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 10, 20, 30, 40. And we need 2. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's do some more. What's next? Yeah, let's record it. 6 times 8 equals, okay, pause and do the math. All right, did you say 48? Nice. How many tens? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what else do we need? Yeah, 8. Okay, we are almost done with the 6 tables. Let's keep going. What's next? Yeah, 6 times 9. Let's write that down. And pause and find the answer. Did you say 56? Oh, silly me. I hope you caught that. That's wrong. Did you say 54? If you said 54, you're correct. Okay, how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 50, and we also need 4. Awesome. Okay. And what's our last one? You got it. 6 times 10 equals, okay, pause and do the math. 60. Nice. Okay, how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they don't all quite fit. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 0 over here. Okay, so what do you notice about this shape? Yeah, it's a long rectangle, isn't it? Or a tall rectangle. Okay, so that is the memorization of the 6 tables. And what I would like for you to do is turn the page, and on your own, I'd like for you to try to do the same thing with the 7s, okay? So remember, you'll start with 1, and you'll record the equation and the answer, and then you'll show the answer vertically, okay? And you have to put the answer away each time. All right, friends, that is your assignment for today. And in our small groups, if you have a small group with me, we will work on this some more. All right, see you later. Bye.